Hi guys, welcome to DG Live. This is Indranil, your tech advisor, and this is my new show. We'll come up with the latest update at 6 p.m. every Sunday. Stay tuned and be digital with us. Today, I'm starting with the updates on HMD Global announcement. Every Nokia lovers are familiar with this name. HMD Global is the home of Nokia phones. 20th May 2020, HMD Global OI announced 3 exclusive smartphones for this year 2020. The first one is the new Nokia 8.3 5G smartphone. This is the first truly global 5G smartphone. This is coming with a new innovative solution with GS cinematic effects, with 6.81-inch adaptive display, Nordic premium design, Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G modular platform. Coming to the rear camera, Nokia is providing 64 megapixel main camera with 12 megapixel 13mm ultra wide AF plus 2 megapixel macro and 2 megapixel depth. This will help you to shoot easily in dark. Till now, it has only one color, that is Polar Night, which is inspired from Northern Light. As per the announcement, this device will be available by July 2020 and the price might be €599 in retail price. The next stunning device is Nokia 5.3. This device has 6.55-inch display, Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 processor. This device has 8 megapixel selfie cam, and coming to the rear camera, Nokia is providing 13 megapixel main camera with 5 megapixel for wide angle and 2 megapixel for macro, 2 megapixel for depth. Nokia is providing 400 mAh battery, and they are assuring that the charge can stay for 2 days. The last low budget smartphone is from Nokia 1 series. The new Nokia 1.3 is bigger, better and bolder now as per the company. Nokia 1.3 have a large 5.71-inch HD Plus notch display, 300 mAh battery. 1.3 have 8 megapixel rear camera with AI low light enhancement and also have 5 megapixel selfie cam. Internal storage is 16 GB and microSD support is up to 400 GB. I believe everyone remembered about the Express Music series. The most lovable handsets for those who love Nokia. Like every year, Nokia also announced an iconic classic device, and that is the new Nokia 5310 Express Music. These all are the latest update for this week. We'll come back again with more updates. Thank you for watching DG Live, presented by INE Highlights. Stay tuned and be digital with us.